Hello, my dear viewers. This is Tukas Copy webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 9th of March 2023. First of all, I'm sorry for yesterday not being here. I did not give any prior information for that. There was an unavoidable situation in front of me where I have to be present. So who am I, guys? I am an Tukas Copy's trader community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, because I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm here for putting in front of you my own analysis. Therefore, all the views or opinions or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this live stream are of my own. Before I go further, I want to welcome MG. Hello, MG. Welcome to the live stream, bro. Thanks for being here. So what I was saying is that all the information that I am going to discuss here, or the opinions or trading ideas that are of my own, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. And in this program, we only talk about the technicals, or you can say price action. We do not talk about anything fundamental in nature, because as a technical analyst, we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll only follow the charts, and we'll stick to candlestick charts in this program, because candlesticks gives us most of the information already. So we'll only stick to those chart, and we will try to find out the key levels of importance in this webinar for all the pairs that we see, and then we will try to see how we can use those levels into our trading. Okay, that's it, what we are going to do. But I'll encourage you to ask questions if you have any in the chat. I will try to answer them. And lastly, I want to say that whatever I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge or to give you some information edge, but it doesn't mean that you will directly trade from those levels, or you will directly trade, like, you cannot base your trades on my videos. Of course you can use those levels, but it will be your responsibility. I'll not be responsible for your profits. I'll not be responsible for your losses, and not even Dukas Copy will be responsible for your profits and losses. So before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first. First things first. So this is a standard risk disclaimer. Please go through it. It is very important to know that there is a risk associated with the trading on margin, because the forex is generally traded on margin. So please understand that it is very risky venture when you do this. All right, guys. So let me take you through the chart. First chart, Drico Trader. Hello Drico, welcome to the stream. I see you are new here. Yeah, hello Desert Island, I welcome you also to the live stream. So let us focus ourselves on the chart. So the first chart that we are going to see is, what is this? Oh, I'm sorry, this is the pound. I need to take you to the dollar index. All right, so this is the dollar index. Right now it is looking a lot of hodgepodge, but I will clean it right in front of you, and I'll tell you what levels we were looking for. See, the day before yesterday, the price was between these two levels, and we were looking for actually price to reach 105.39. It did on the same day when we were streaming, and later on the same day it closed higher than that. Now, do you see that it looks like a false break here? Okay, it looks like a false break, but you see that there were two levels here. One is this high, these highs here around 105.20 area, and one high was here 105.39. I had taken 105.39 because it was the highest high, but you see, if the price comes back, it may not go up from here by taking support here. It can extend its losses, or say correction, up to this point. So where the price is right now, okay, I expect price to rise from here and head towards 107.64. Sometimes this tends to go beyond this, sometimes to the 50% of this next swing. So whatever can happen. Now, how we can gauge this is to what extent it can go down. Now it has gone up, it has made a swing here. To what extent it can go down is we raise our fibs here, and then we can gauge. Okay, 38%. Well, it is in line with these highs. There is a possibility that it gets support here. In fact, there is a high probability that it will get support here. But if not, then you see this 50% aligns with this high, and these two close and opens, and these lows here. So this is also 104.95 area is another level of importance. But if it comes down further, then I think it will be counted as a false breakout. I hope you understand that point. If the price does not continue in the intended direction, then it will be counted as a false breakout, and then I think we can see on weekly it will be a bearish pin bar or something like that. Do you see? If it don't go further and it comes down, then it will be a bearish pin bar, right? So we have to continue further to the upside, but we need to take a support at 104.96 or 105.17 area where the price is trading right now. This is one thing. And if I just remove this one here, but this fib I don't want to remove, because this is telling me where is my 50%, where I am expecting a selling order to place. Actually, this is one, and this channel actually we can remove now. Delete this channel and delete this channel, just to make it more clear. And this rectangle, not this but this rectangle, we can remove. So now it is much better. I want to keep this fib also that I have placed just now. Okay, so we know that this area here 105.17 is an area of support because it is in line with these previous highs. Secondly, 104.96 may provide further support to the price if the price dips to this level. Okay, so keep an eye on here, or in other words, what you can do is you can draw a channel by joining these recent highs that the price had made and this low that the price has made. As soon as the price breaks higher than this falling channel, you can safely say that the pullback is over, and then you will be looking for buying opportunity again. But till the time the price is trading between these two channels, I mean this one channel, you should not be looking for any buying opportunity, although the bias is bullish. The bias is bullish. The bias will turn bearish only when it crosses below 78.6%. I hope you understand that point. So what about euro? Well, euro has not reached the level which we were talking about, that is 1.0482. The price somehow day before yesterday closed below 1.0565, and now it has found support yesterday at 1.0532 area. So one thing about here worth noticing is that at least our levels are being respected every now and then. I mean, here it was not respected, of course, but yes, once, twice it was respected, but later on it closed higher and then it just breached this level. But you see how good 1.05328 is holding, although I am not finding it very good reason to support the price, because if you have seen the lower price than this price is exposed, so you have to go and test 1.04823. This is like it is, the probability of doing such type of thing is so much that I will even go to an extent to say that the price is a must to test 1.0482 now. But in the process, in this before it does so, it may go and have some pullback to maybe 10 periods moving average, maybe to this low of this candle, which is 1.0621. so I'm not aware right now to tell you the truth that to what extent it can pull back before it shoots down to 1.0482. One thing is that you can do reverse engineering. How you do reverse engineering? That from this low you measure how much further it has to go. If it has to go 40 points, there is a possibility that it will go 40 points to the upside, but it did not, so it is going more. So if it goes more, then there is a probability that it will even break this low if the price starts moving downwards from here, because the reaction from the reaction, when it makes an impulse move, it tends to break this low. So let us see how the things unfold. But right now the price is going towards 10 periods moving average, I think, to test this as the fresh resistance on the similar lines as you did for the dollar index. You can do the same for the euro also by creating a channel by joining these lows and this high. Okay, so as soon as you see that the price breaks below this, you will know that this pullback to the upside is over. Okay, so this is how you enter the market in the main direction of the main trend. So Great Britain pound, Let's talk about the Great Britain pound. Well, after closing the day below 1.1840, which was the ultimate target, it has now already told us that I have broken through this double top, and now I have also breached this reaction low. So that means you can get ready for selling orders. Like, you can get ready to go short in this market. This is one thing for the retail traders. And there is another thing which I am concerned about, is that was this a false breakdown just to load new buys to the upside? Well, that our volumes tell us. You see, this breakdown was with huge volumes, but this buying does not have volumes. Do you understand that? So this cannot be counted as a buying, because if you see here, in this, there was a flush down, and then there was a huge buying. Okay, next day there was less buying, but then there was subsequently there was only buying. Now actually this analogy is making me wrong here. I think there is a buying happening here, but will it continue? Let us see. Will it continue further on the 4 hour or maybe on 1 hour? What we can do? Okay, there is a bearish pin bar on the 1 hour, and still the price wants to go higher. See, this is Thursday. Actually, if the price has started rising, this should give a lot of resistance, 1.1926 area. But if it, for some reason, if it starts going up, it should not breach higher than this level, that is 1.2064. And also at the same time, this falling channel should be respected when the price goes up, if it has to go up. I think I'll be cautious on the Great Britain pound here, because it seems like there has been a subsequent buying here at the lower prices here, and right now there is buying and the price is breaking the previous volumes also. See, this average volume was broken here in this current candle with where there's a breakout. So I'm a little concerned about this price action here. And even if I make a channel, I will see that the channel is breaking to the upside. That means the momentum, oh sorry, I'll say that the momentum is building to the upside now. Okay, you see, this is broken to the upside, so that means the buying power is huge, and this may result in buying orders coming into pound and pushing the price even beyond 1.2121. Mark my words here. From this price action, it looks like this level is going to break. The price is going towards 1.2121 very soon in the pound. Okay, what about the Australian dollar? Well, Australian dollar is finding it difficult to find support at the lower levels. 0.6584 is the crucial support now. In fact, the price is expected to take support at 0.6547 area. So there is a possibility of another leg down here and then price reversing from here. Let us see how the things unfold, but we are still not buyers. We would have become buyers if the price would have traded above 0.6783. It did not, so I am taking the entire setup to like this now. I hope it is the similar line. So I'm now expecting something like this to happen here. Let us see how the things unfold here in the Australian dollar. But yes, I am bullish in the long term, not right now. On the daily, I am bearish right now, guys, but I am looking for a bigger pattern to form here. And this inverse head and shoulder, which was broken, was never tested here. So there is a possibility 0.6547 is the area for which the buyers are waiting to put their money inside. Okay, so if the price goes to 0.6547, I will be looking for buying this market with a small stop loss below and targeting around 0.8 here, 0.8124. Why 0.8124? Because that is the ultimate target that I will be looking for once the dollar starts depreciating. Okay, on the New Zealand dollar, it is in a sell mode. Well, 0.6060 is the support, 0.6155 is the resistance. Nothing much to tell on the New Zealand dollar now. After a breakdown from this double top, it is finding it difficult to go higher and has started making lower highs and lower lows. So I'll be expecting another lower low 2.6060 level in this market. USD JPY. Well, it looks like this channel is broken already, and the price is finding it difficult to go higher. What I'm saying is, okay, sorry, this should not be polyline, this should be a channel. Okay, I was actually talking about this channel. If you switch to 4-hour, it is more prominent. Although, see, the price made a higher high, then it made a low here, then it made a high here, and then it broke this one. But you see, the swing low is still 135.36. Till the time 135.36 is not taken down, we cannot be sure of a downtrend. So I'm still cautious on this one. The price is finding some support at the lower levels, but as soon as 135.36 will be taken down, I'll become a seller in this market. I hope you understand that. Okay, guys. Right now 135.36 is the support, 137.67 is the resistance. US dollar against the Canadian one is, I think, consolidating before the next move up, guys, but it has hit the rising channels, not rising channel, but this horizontal level of resistance already, 138.32. Almost it has made a high yesterday around 138.60. So it is not that far from the area of zone of the resistance, and if it has to continue further, it needs huge volumes and a pullback. Well, the pullback to 136.84 is expected before the next leg up. Although I don't think that there's that much of steam in the US dollar to go against Canadian dollar that high before a pullback. And if you correlate this with the dollar index, I think there is also a pullback is what is taking place, and after the pullback, if it goes to 107.64, then even the dollar against the Canadian dollar can go beyond 139 and maybe towards 1.4140 also. Okay, and it can even extend to 1.46 also. Okay, so let us see how the things unfold here. But right now the price is finding resistance and 1.3832 levels. USD CHF, we are bullish? No, we are bearish in this one. 0.9479 is what I'm looking for to sell this market. Right now the price is trading even below 0.9372, which was supposed to be a support area. Now the next support area is around 0.9271. Resistance is still sitting at 0.9479 in this market, guys. Nothing much. Silver got sold off below the far rising channel. Now I think one should only be looking for the selling opportunity in this market. Well, 20.37 is the first opportunity, but if the price tests this rising channel, rising trend line, and then gets rejected with the red candle, I think that will be an area, or that will be actually an alert or indication, sorry, to send the prices further down to 18.88. So keep an eye on this one, how the things unfold. If you want, you can switch to 4-hour and see how it is behaving on the 4-hour. Well, on the 4-hour, it looks like already a bearish pin bar, but I think a test of 20.37 will be a good opportunity. Or what you can do is, if not on 4-hour, then at least on 1-hour, you create this channel. I think it will help you in understanding when the price is going to go down. You see, do you notice the volumes at this particular candle? At this red candle, there are huge volumes. That means the downtrending price is being supported by huge volumes. That means there is a possibility of the price going back towards 18.88. So keep an eye on the silver. Silver can make you golden. All right, guys. What about gold? Well, gold is going up. What is happening? Silver going down, gold going up. What is happening? Well, this is the power of support area. 1807 is a very good area of support. It has held in the previous time, and now it is trying to hold again. Well, this looks like a very good example of actual buyers at a support area. I think that this level is holding good. one can take small risk with the stop loss below the low of this particular candle. This candle is having a low of 1804.59. Small stop loss below that. I think you can target 1865 first, and later on 1900, and later on 1950, 57 also in this market. Guys, this is gold. This is gold now. Okay, somebody's building up positions here. I can challenge you that. If everything is going down against the dollar but gold is going up, something is cooking, and this is what you have to gauge. Something is cooking here. Equal volumes. Something is cooking here. Equal volumes. Something is cooking, guys. Somebody is buying the gold at the lower levels, definitely. I think in a month or two you will see gold going beyond 1900. All right, so Bitcoin after breakout, it has again entered inside. Sorry, Brent Bitcoin, no, Brent. This is Brent. After breakout to the upside, it has gone down and even has traded below the low of this candle where I was looking for. I think that there was a lot of buying in this candle, and we have traded lower than that. This means that these buyers are now out of market. So what is left in the market now is only sellers. So if the only sellers are left in this market, where are they taking the market? 80.39 first target, 77.58 second target, 75.09 the third target. Now these are the levels that we will be seeing next week, guys. Right? Okay, I will write it down. I do not predict, but this is a simple prediction. 80.39, thereafter 77.58 and 75.09 is now exposed. Okay, so this is where we are going. So let us write it here and keep it here. I don't think that the price is going to go beyond 84.27 now. No, it will not see any price above that. So selling this market with a small stop loss above 84.27 will be a good idea. Let us see how the things unfold in this one. USD ZAR, a lot of target to the upsides. 19.33 is exposed in this market. 18.499 is taken day before yesterday, and today okay, do you see this? When we made this, if something like this happens, you should be looking for a buying opportunity at 18.499. so this is your opportunity, guys. But at the red candles, you cannot buy at the red candles. You have to have a green candle after the retest, and then above the high of that candle you have to buy. So when somebody says that okay, it has retested, so it is testing it now, it is red candle, should I buy? No, brother, you cannot buy it. Yeah, what you can do is you can actually switch to 4 hours, and when you see okay something like this happening, then you can buy at the high of this candle. Okay, your stop loss will still be below the low of this candle. All right, but here I see that something wrong is happening. After the bullish pin bars, I can see that there is a bearish engulfing. Now this looks like a change of guard, or you can say that people are not happy to buy this market at the higher level, so they're trying to sell off this market. But 18.49964 is still the support, and we are targeting 19.3381 in this market. Of course, somebody will try to buy lower prices, so price can extend towards 18.3199 also in this market before a move up. So let us see how the things unfold in the USDs are also. But also notice that there is okay, there's no divergence whatsoever, but yes, there was regular bullish divergence. I told you about this one, right? That there is a bullish divergence here, and this is what happened when regular bullish divergence, sorry, hidden bullish divergence forms. So this is a very good technique of finding where the price is headed. I'll tell you later about this one. What about the Bitcoin, guys? Well, the Bitcoin is not finding support, so it is possible that if it trades below 21,342, guys, this was our title for the last stream. Okay, if it goes below 21,342, then 18,132 will be exposed. Now those of my friends who are long in the Bitcoin, I think they should be very cautious in this one, because as soon as 21,342 breaks, it will be a break of the market structure. Okay, if it is a break of market structure, the price will find it very difficult to go beyond 21,342 to the upside. So keep an eye at this level 21,342. If that is traded, or if the price trades below that, I think you should leave your boat and get out of it. So right now 21,342 is the very strong support. It is expected to be a very strong support because the price has broken this resistance and then it was acting as a support. So this is going to be support, but if it breaks, then this will turn to be a very good resistance in the future. So keep an eye on this 21,342, guys. On the high side, we have resistance at 25,207. On the low side, we have support at 18,132. Euro JPY, we are buyers in this one, and the price has already tested the level from where we should be looking for the buying entry, and it looks like somebody has already pulled the trigger. So somebody has already pulled the trigger. This is 4 hourly Euro JPY, a bullish engulfing, bullish pin bar at the support. It's like it is screaming out to you, buy me, buy me, don't leave, buy me. So if it is asking you to buy, you do not jump in. Okay, don't jump in. You don't have to. You don't have to jump in. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to. So if the price is trading like this, and you have this temptation of looking at these candles and you want to buy, I'll say don't buy. Okay, because something like this is going to happen now. Something like this is going to happen. Okay, when that happens, the best that you can do is try to find this price level for yourself. Okay, because these lows that the price is going to make here, they will be shattered before our next leg up. This is my expectation. I'm not saying that exactly this thing will happen, but in any case, you should not be buying this market till the time this channel is holding. So let this channel cross, then look for the price to go down further for some time, and then you buy this market at the cheaper level, right? Why to I mean, don't enter here. Okay, your stop loss will be too much. I think your stop loss will be almost 67, 68 points, and what you will be targeting 146.72. So your target will be 244, 60, 240 is still good, but I think you have a huge resistance in the form of this falling channel. So why to enter a market when you are not confirmed that it is going to go up? Once it breaks out of this channel, you will know for sure that the market is going to go up. So I think that will be a better area where you should be looking for a buying opportunity, because you will have less stress on your mind. So you will sleep peacefully because you have a good position, you have a good stop loss, you have a good take profit target. Okay, Euro GBP, a lot of analysis here we have done, and sometimes it is breaking through this rising channel, sometimes it is breaking into this channel, sometimes it is breaking again from that channel, sometimes it is breaking out of this falling channel. So there's a lot of analysis going on. So I'll say that the price has actually stuck between supports and resistances. When it tries to go up, it's stuck between these two resistances and this falling channel's resistance. When it tries to go down, it gets stuck again between these supports. So I think the price is stuck between a range of 0.8928 and 8758 here. Although this looks like a bearish and bearish candle here on the daily, but you see, after breakout from this falling channel, it should be looking at support here. And also 10 periods moving average, I think, will be providing support to the 4 hourly candle here. So let us see. No, it is not. See, the 10 periods moving average doesn't provide the support. Actually it did, but later on it gave way. Now it is trying to hit that falling channel's resistance line and find some support here. Now friends, if you're looking for a buying opportunity here, I think I should ask you to look into this one here, something like that. Once this channel breaks, I think you can look for the buying opportunity, or in other words, I will say, actually deep down inside, I feel like you should stay away from this market, guys. Stay away from this market. Why you have to trade a market when there are so many opportunities out there which are very clean? This is a hodgepodge market. I'll say stay away. No, do not trade this market for some time. So just go away from this one. So and the similar lines, actually. Now Euro GBP chart, do you see Euro GBP 4 hourly chart, and you see US 500 4 hourly chart? You will feel like same. There's no clarity here. There's no clarity. Sometimes it breaks down, sometimes it breaks out. So we need a clarity. I'll say don't trade this market also right now, please. You're not here to, open the trades or close the trades. You are here to make money. So stay away from such markets which have no clear trend or no clear range. There is no range, no trend. Of course, the price has broken out of this symmetrical triangle first to the upside. We were expecting it to continue further, then it breaks down, then we expect it to continue further down, but it did not. It is actually making another symmetrical triangle here. So let it clear from that triangle, and then we see which direction it is moving. As of now, it is not moving in any direction. It is directionless. Euro in the Australian dollar. Okay, the price has finally started moving in this one at least, and the next target that we are looking for in this one is 1.6242. Actually, this is not the case. We are looking for this high here. This is 1.6224. I think that's good. Euro is rising against the Australian dollar, and after breaking from this inverted head and shoulder, there's a clear trend now, and the price is headed towards 1.6224. But the problem with the euro is that it moves so much so soon that even if we buy right now, we have targets of 228 points, but our stop loss is still around 200 and 326 levels. So this is not a good risk to reward ratio. So stay away from this one. Also enjoy the show while it is going towards 1.6224, or you can, I think, go to the 4 hourly and look for breakout again on the low time frames. Now, if you are buying it at the breakout of this channel, then you can actually bring your stop loss somewhere here at the lowest low. That will be 117 points, but still you will be targeting 180 points. I think that is also not a good risk to reward ratio. So my suggestion is, humble opinion is, stay away from this market, although it is going very nice to the upside, but staying away is a good idea, believe me. Ethereum, you should be cautious in Ethereum. It is going down. 14660 is a level to watch. If it breaks down below that, then it is a no to hold. Do not hold your Ethereum below 1460, because in that case it will be headed towards 1072 and you will not be in good position if you hold it for that long. Okay, but expect some support here at 1460. The price can and will, I think, come here and then go up, but right now the price is going down at least till 1460 levels. Okay, upside 1555 is the resistance, below 1460 is the support for the Ethereum. Last hit CAD JPY 101.40. This is the level we were looking for the resistance, but the price broke the rising channel before that. And if it has broken through the channel today, actually it has broken through the channel and is trading lower on the lower time frames, I think you will see there's some bullish pin bars or something, because there's buying at the lower levels. Okay, there is a bullish engulfing, but right below the resistance, I think it will get rejected and the price will go down. Let us see how the things unfold. Do you remember I said that something like this will happen, and then you go and sell below the low of that candle. Now this is, if I switch to 1 day, so you see something like this has happened. You can mark this candle as this one or this particular candle as this one, and now you put your sell orders below the low of this candle, and then you will say a trail of red candles with this one if it follows. Okay, so this is how you should be trading. Your stop loss will be above this 99.07 in that case, and your take profit target would be 94.63 in the CAD JPY. Alright guys, I'm done talking. If you have any questions, please ask me in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer you. Or if you have any suggestions for me, you can let me know now. Or if you want me to look at some other pair, please let me know that also. Or let me finish this conversation today like I do every day. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, as usual, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. We are here 16:30 every day. Please be with me, help me in bringing you good stuff, and let me know in the suggestions if you want anything new. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.